And welcome back. We kick things off with football. The Reggae Boyz will play Mexico, Costa Rica and the United States on the road in their first 4 games of the final round. That's in the 2022 World Cup qualifiers next year. The draw, which also comprised rounds 1 and 2, was done on Wednesday in Zurich, Switzerland. Simon Preston reports.
Just like they did the last time they played in the final round of World Cup qualifiers in 2013, the Reggae Boyz will open their 2022 qualifiers at the Estadio Azteca against CONCACAF giants Mexico in June next year. In that month, the Reggae Boyz are slated to play 4 World Cup qualifiers, and after the Mexico game, the Jamaicans will play the first round winner of Group C or D, which could either be Panama or Curacao. This follows back-to-back away fixtures against Costa Rica, who have qualified for the last 2 World Cups, and the United States, who are aiming to dismiss the bad memories of missing out on Russia 2 years ago. Jamaica's 14-match campaign will end in March 2022 at home to Honduras, the same team they played to end the final round of the 2014 World Cup qualifiers. Reggae Boyz defender Damian Lowe doesn't have an issue playing multiple away games to start the campaign.
Personally, the Mexico away first is a good draw, and then we play Panama at home. After that is a good draw, which means after the first and then Costa Rica away. I feel like it's set up good for we because after these first 4 games, regardless of the results, we kind of have all home games. We have Costa Rica, good team at home, and Mexico, really good team at home. So we kind of have the mindset, all right, then going into, we are playing at home, give us more ammunition when we are going to be at our best, going down into the tournament.
TVJ Sports football analyst O'Neill 1878 Meredith agrees with Lowe.
Historically, it could be looked on as a bad thing because these 2 teams have always had the better of us on their home patch. But judging on the mettle of the team that we now have and the maturity, and also our players playing their trade all over the world, I think they'll be better able to adjust just this time around. But looking at it from the perspective of history, it's certainly a bad thing. Not having a home game in between and playing maybe 2 of your toughest adversaries at the first go can have a negative effect. But I think that this team is strong enough to do the business and go there and represent well.
Round 1 of the qualifiers is slated to kick off on October 7, while round 2 is set for March 2021. The top 3 teams in the final round will book their ticket to the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar, while the 4th-placed team will head to the Intercontinental Playoffs. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.